It's almost Easter, so let's put those little marshmallow bunnies to work on some crafts. Every holiday needs a good door wreath, don't you think? Now to complete this project, you need 2 packs of ribbon. I was shocked how well the Peeps actually stayed on the wreath, but hot tip, you may want to work with them when they're a little bit stale, so try leaving them out for a few days before trying this wreath. Look at that! She's a beaut, Clark. Here's the thing, I like to eat healthy, but I never say no to cake. Be warned, this project gets pretty sticky and messy, but I promise you, it's worth it. We went with 3 layers for this one, but you could easily do 5 if you were able to find the green and the purple Peeps. Could you imagine a 5-layer Rice Krispie cake? No baking involved. I am obsessed with this Rice Krispie cake. I actually had to give it to my family so I wouldn't eat the entire thing. Now this one is a fun art project to do with the kids. Here's another example of when stale Peeps might be the best so you can get a solid imprint while stamping. And don't be afraid to fix the ears with your brush. I mean, look at this, so much fun. I am a terrible artist. I've said it, okay? But this, I think I could handle. Personal opinion, I think it's always fun to have a centerpiece you can eat. Like you could just like nibble an ear off and turn it around and nobody would know. This could work with round bases as well. Just make sure that smaller one fits inside the big one so all the Peeps can fit around. Look at this. Another 10 out of 10, easy to do, and I do not trust myself around those little chocolates. Take a look at those. Whew. Thanks for watching. Join us next time on Craftbusters. Make sure to like this page, subscribe to this channel, and leave a comment if you plan on trying any of these crafts.